it's Nanya, and today I'm going to be doing slime backwards. So a girl suggested that I do making slime backwards. There's just a bit of slime in the spoon. So let's get started. So I'm going to pour in the saline. It smells wrong. So I'm going to pour in the saline solution. Oh, it's only coming down in drips. There we go. I think that should be enough. And then I'm going to have a little bit of baking powder. I don't have any paint, and I only painted my mom's lodge. But anyway. Can you hear that? Okay. Right. Add in some glue, 'cause I have a glue. Still sizzling. Now it's not because I'm mixing it. Okay, I might need to add a little bit more glue. But anyway. Like, sorry, you can't be mixing it. It doesn't look that stretchy. And more glue, that's why. Just so you know, I'm home alone. And I'm going to be uploading this a couple hours later. I don't upload straight away, I upload a couple hours later. Oh, it's so bad. Is it just the fact that I need more glue? Because that's the only thing I can add in. Or I can add in glitter. And like, you can add in glitter first. Look. Okay, I'm gonna try and play with it. Oh, I added too much glue. Or did I? Maybe I didn't. Oh, this is really bad. I think I added too much baking powder. I added too much baking powder. That's what I done. Maybe I have to keep on working it. Work. Doesn't seem like it's working that good. My best friend's coming over tonight. Well, maybe. Sasha. She's my best friend. Oh, it's really stretchy now. Maybe because I kept on like working with it. Oh la, look. Work. It's working. Kind of. This lad, like on my videos, was commenting, "I love you," but the thing is, I don't know him. Oh, it's kind of sticky, but well, that's okay. I mean, like if I poke. Kind of. Okay. Oh, there's more contact lens solution in the bowl, so I can just get that. Ole. This is so glossy. I really like this. So yeah, so that's me making slime backwards. See you later guys, bye! Subscribe.